Hey y'all, it's Ken with Squad Buddy Airsoft, 24th Grenadiers Airsoft Team. Check me out on YouTube, Squad Buddy Airsoft. What I have going on right here is Evike's having their 20-year anniversary this month, and they're loading up. So I got 3 small boxes from them. I got a swag pack, I got a Boneyard box of things, which last time was really good, and I got a $99 mystery gun. It was an open box gun, and we're gonna see what came in. I ordered them over the weekend, and they're both already here from California, so I'm super pleased. I got free shipping out of the deal. Awesome experience when it came to getting the stuff in. Let's open the things up and see what I got. So in here, this one came in on Wednesday. I think this one's probably my box of things and my swag pack. The swag pack had one item that had the most of everything, and then it had a few other items that had about as many. But we'll see what we got here. So it looks like that's gonna be my box of stuff, I think. And this will be my swag pack. I got a big box of hand sanitizer, a big bottle of hand sand. I got my card. It's a Salient Arms International Red 1911 to go with the others. I'm working on a poker hand. So, I got a big bottle of hand sanitizer. A designated drunk hex patch. I don't drink, so that really, whatever. I got an Elite Force Glock 17 card. Got a pair of 7s right now. Got an Evike sticker, a popper. These things are pretty cool. You can shoot them, they'll fall over. And a grenade. It's a spring-loaded grenade. You fill it with BBs, pull the pin, toss it, it impacts, and it sprays BBs all over the place. This one was the pack that had the most of a chance of getting it. Not surprised, but this was $16.99 for this pack. This alone sells for almost $25. And I figured that with that, it wouldn't be a bad deal anyway, because those things always come in handy. So, I'm pleasantly surprised with that one. I'm pleased it's much better than the last swag pack. Now for the box of stuff. Let's see what came in here. So with this, they just have stuff sitting around, stuff that hasn't sold. Sometimes it's returns. Sometimes it's a pistol, but I don't know what it is. It's a gas. I don't know the details of, oh, no. I think it's a Springer. That is a Falker Defense lower. That's pretty cool. That is an, not entirely sure what that is. That's a full upper and lower combination. Build a custom gun. Now I'm going to have to build a custom gun. Didn't want to have to do that. Oh well, that's fine. Knee pads. A drum mag, I don't know details on it. Have to look into it and see if it's good and running. Looks like it's a Caspian upper for a pistol. This is an airsoft RPG. It's a rechargeable portable gas can. You can refill it and carry it on the field with you. It fits in a mag pouch if you need to refill gas on the fly. Battle belt. I've got some guys on my team who could really use that. It is a Tenergy charger. It's for nickel metal hydride batteries. Got a pin. I don't know what it's for. K&M Airsoft Masterpiece. I don't know. This looks like it's for a 2011 to build a high-speed gun. Inside of a gas blowback magazine. Weapons light. It is a maple leaf bucking. This is the WE CO2 tool. It's a key of some sort for something. Let's see what this is. It's a battery charger for something. Guns and coffee patch. Those other patches I need to put on my thing. A Shimon. An X-Fog anti-fog system. And have to look into it. These are usually fairly pricey. Make sure it works. And the last thing, I don't know what it is. It's a little box with, this looks like a demo box for a demo magazine. No, this was I don't know what this was. It's a cool little box. I'll have to figure out what that is. So, this was 39 bucks, and that's pretty cool. Don't know anything about that gun. Weapons light, 10 bucks. I would say that was another $10 new. That lower, that was probably 40 bucks or more on its own. 12 bucks. These little tools, I don't have a need for it currently, but these things can be 25 bucks. $11. Honestly, don't have a clue on how to price that. I'd say overall this was a pretty good deal for this little box. I got some guys on my team that probably could use a battle belt. Little small for me, but I'm sure someone could wear it. So far, I would say I'm doing pretty well on these. So let's open this and see. So this was an airsoft gun that's valued at $140 more, and it was $99. I wasn't expecting the box to be this thick. It could have a lot of bubble wrap. It could be a bigger gun. So what they'll do sometimes it'll be open boxes, sometimes it'll be returns. They're all tested to work. Sometimes they're just overstocks that they have way too much of that they need to get out of the way. So let's see which direction they went with this. I got an M4. First off, I got my card. It's a one of the new Cyberground FN Herstal FNP90s by Chris Vector. I want one of those. I think it'd be a great little shooter. It is a Golden Eagle Elite Series M4. So, let's look at the details here. M16 style stock. .345 to 355 FPS. It's not my ideal style. I'm not a big fan of this style stock, but I've got a feeling that it comes in a little bit higher than the $140 mark. I don't know if it doesn't show any blemishes whatsoever. It's never been fielded. Comes with a magazine. I'm curious to see how much it was worth. I'll look it up here in a few minutes. I would say that this gun alone was probably in the $190 range, maybe a little more than that. This alone is worth more than what I paid for the whole setup. I'd say I came out pretty well on this one. If you agree, just let me know. If you have other questions, if there's something you'd like to see, if there's an unboxing you'd like to see, let me know. But in the meantime, Squad Buddy Airsoft on YouTube, and check us out, 24th Grenadiers Airsoft Team, Squad Works Airsoft. I'm working on some things. I've got some designs in the works right now, so we'll have to see how things play out. But in the meantime, I'm Ken signing off. Thank you very much.